Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm gonna make green peas pulao. This pulao dish is prepared with basmati rice, whole spices and of course green peas. This dish can be prepared very quickly and at the same time very healthy. So let's get started. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. You can also go for oil instead of ghee. Next I'm adding the whole spices. So there goes in 1 bay leaf, 2 cinnamon stick and 4 cloves. Saute for a minute or 2. Goes in half cup sliced onions and saute them till golden brown. Peas pulao will go very well in school and office lunch, especially when you have very less time for cooking. So the onions have turned their color to golden brown. Now it's time to add the green peas. You can always use fresh green peas if it's available, but I had some frozen ones, so I used 1 cup of frozen green peas, which is always readily available in the supermarket. I will fry them for a minute. Adding 2 green chilies and mixing it well for another minute. Now I am adding the rice. I had already washed 2 cups of long grained rice and soaked it for at least 30 minutes. Mix everything well for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, adding 1 tablespoon salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Goes in 4 cups of water. The proportion of water is very important here. Always use double amount of water to the amount of rice. Stir the water well and allow it to cook on the lowest possible heat for at least 15 minutes, covering the lid. It's been already 10 minutes, so let's check once whether the water is absorbed or not. Here you can see there is some more water still to be absorbed. The rice is still soggy. I will cover the lid again and will cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. Five minutes is over. Here you can see the rice is fully done. Insert the back side of a spoon. If it comes clean with no trace of water, then it's done. Switch off the flame and allow it to rest for a while before serving. You can serve it with rich curries. If you like my recipe, please click the subscribe button and share the recipe with your loved ones. Thank you for watching.